What's up guys, it's me or Geek. So the question is that if you want to ask me question, my email address is in the description box below. Let me read you the question. Which university offer industrial engineering and furniture design in Canada? Can you please tell a college or a university in Canada? Okay. Jump to the screen. I will be including this link in the description box below. So there are currently 6 institutes offer industrial engineering. The Ryerson, Dalhousie, University of Windsor. Yeah, I mean these are 6 institutes which offer it. Let me see the first one. It offer the Bachelor of Engineering. It costs you this one. I mean you can see per year. Personally, I will recommend go with which one? Yeah, Windsor. I mean this is Bachelor of Applied Science in University of Industrial Engineering. This hold much more value personally. So yeah, and then you can see about furniture design. My advice will be that. I mean, first, if you want to really get a PR, go with the furniture design. Furniture design is hugely in demand. That's why I'm showing you this one. But if you still want to go into industrial engineering, you can pick the University of Windsor. There are like 6 universities to offer. But for furniture design, I mean, there are so many institutes teaching it because it's highly in demand. I mean, where is the institute go? Okay, furniture. Okay, these are teaching around the world: UK, Australia, Canada. I cannot find the Canada. Okay, let me find the Canada. Malaysia, Ireland, UK, Botswana. Even in Botswana, I'm surprised. Furniture design. Okay, let me see the country. Furniture design, and then anyway, you get the point. I hope so. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.